All right, so I want to share with you the Binaxnow home testing kit for COVID. I was out of town last week, so I just wanted to make sure that I was good. So I waited a few days, got back home, and now I have actually taken the results. Thankfully, my results came back negative, but I wanted to share my experience with you. So you actually get 2 kits to test with, because they do recommend that you retest, I believe in like 2 days. But anyway, so you get the test packet like this. This is the solution, and you actually get the swab. Now, there are instructions inside of the kit, and literally what you have to do is you open your test kit. You want to lay it flat on the table, so I did have to bend it back just a little bit. You want to lay it very flat on the table. And then what you want to do is you'll take your magic solution and you'll put 6 droplets inside of the top hole. So I'll show it to you. So you actually put 6 droplets in this top hole here. And then what you do is you put your swab in, swab each nostril for 15 seconds. And then what you'll do is you'll take it and you'll slide it up to the solution like this. You do not want to pick this up. I'm showing you this, guys, because it's already been done. But literally there's an adhesive strip. You'll peel it and you fold it over. You keep everything flat, laid out on the table the entire time. So make sure that you follow the directions to the T. I'm actually vaccinated, but because things can still happen, I just wanted to make sure that I was safe. Primarily because my Peloton bike is coming on Tuesday, and I definitely wouldn't want to, danger anyone else. I just want to be as responsible as I can, but I wanted to share this with you. So what you do is, like I said, you push the Q-tip up, you close it. Do not pick your kit up. Again, I'm showing you this because this has already been used. You seal it right here, and I was pressing everything down on the table, and you set a timer and you wait for 15 minutes, okay? Do not go back and be checking on it. Just after 15 minutes, go in, check your results, but you need to get the results and read them before the 30-minute time frame hits. So after 30 minutes, you can actually go in and actually check. So I feel really good right now. I can get my Peloton bike on Tuesday, and I'm excited that the Binaxnow people made something super convenient that we could test out and check at home. And I just wanted to share my experience with it, because hell, I ain't seen nobody use this test, online. But I read the reviews, and the reviews were really good. So I just wanted to do something in the comfort of my own home to make sure that I'm safe. If you guys have any questions about what my experience was like, don't hesitate to drop a comment. Peace.